Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again with another Luxe highlight. We are on the road and we're moving from our Washington location to a Denver location. This is the address where you can find us. This is going to be from the July 18th through the 21st. July 18th through 21st, we're going to be at Middle Fork RV Park, 255 South US 285 Fairplay, Colorado 80440. So you can, at the end of this video, you can click and sign up for this location. We're looking forward to seeing you. I know a lot of you folks in the Colorado area are hoping to see us. We'll have that 42 MD, that's a luxury mid-den fifth wheel, there at that location near Denver. So hey, look us up. Give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com and click on that link and sign up to actually see and touch and feel a Luxe Elite 42 MD luxury fifth wheel. Have a great day.